Dodge has revealed the 2027 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 4-door, a powerful and practical addition to the Charger lineup, powered by the legendary Hemi V8. This 4-door performance sedan brings the Scat Pack's aggressive character and strong performance to a more versatile body style, appealing to enthusiasts who want muscle car excitement with added practicality for daily driving and family use. The 2027 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 4-door is powered by the formidable 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine, producing 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated powerhouse delivers strong low-end torque and a thrilling exhaust note that defines American muscle. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The Scat Pack accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 4.5 seconds and offers strong straight-line performance with a top speed over 160 miles per hour. The suspension has been tuned for a balance of sporty handling and daily comfort, with available adaptive dampers and performance brakes. Multiple drive modes, including Sport and Track, allow drivers to tailor the vehicle's character. The 4-door layout maintains the Charger's signature long hood proportions while adding usable rear seating. The Charger Scat Pack 4-door features bold, aggressive styling that pays homage to classic muscle cars. It includes a wide front grille with Scat Pack badging, functional hood scoops, and flared fenders that give it a muscular stance. The long hood and short rear deck emphasize its performance credentials. Exclusive 20-inch wheels, red brake calipers, and dual exhaust outlets complete the sporty look. Available hood stripes, blacked-out accents, and performance-oriented body kits enhance its aggressive appearance. The 4-door configuration maintains the Charger's iconic silhouette while offering better practicality for passengers.
The interior of the Charger Scat Pack 4-door blends sporty flair with everyday usability. Deeply bolstered sport seats with Scat Pack embroidery, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and red contrast stitching create an exciting cockpit. The latest Uconnect system features a large touchscreen with sharp graphics and intuitive controls. The 4-door layout provides comfortable seating for 5 adults with generous rear legroom. Premium materials, available leather, and a practical trunk make it suitable for daily driving and longer trips. A premium audio system and advanced driver assistance features ensure the cabin is both fun and functional. The 2027 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 4-door is expected to start from approximately $55,000 in the United States, with higher optioned models reaching the mid-$60,000 range. The updated Scat Pack variant is scheduled to arrive at dealerships in late 2026 as a 2027 model year vehicle.